Hello guys, welcome back. As you know, what we are doing nowadays is I am analyzing previous 5 to 10 years of question papers of GATE, and I am collecting the questions that are questions or the topics that are repeatedly asked. Right, in every subject there are some 5 to 6 important topics are there, from which topics the questions are repeatedly asked. For example, you can take that in digital electronics we are having conversions, the questions from conversions like binary, octal, hexadecimal, ones complement, two's complement. In data structure we are having many questions of trees, graph, right? So what I am doing is, after the analysis of papers, I am finding out which are the topics or which are the types of questions that are repeatedly asked in the question paper of GATE, and I am bringing such questions for you and letting you know how to solve them, so that if you are giving GATE, because as we know mostly the questions are changed, but the type of the questions or the topic from which it is asked, it is in some way or the other way same, right? So what I am doing is I am trying to help you out by bringing out such questions, so that if you are opting for GATE or any such competitive exams like ISRO, BARC, and any such questions, repeated questions pops up, it will be very easier for you to answer them, right? So I would like to request you to subscribe this channel, so that I am continuously doing this. I will try to find out and show you how to solve as many questions as possible, so that once you subscribe you will get to know about all the questions as soon as I upload any new question, right? And I would like to request you that share this thing with your friends, juniors or seniors, who are also preparing themselves for these technical questions, for these technical exams like GATE, ISRO, BARC, whatever, so that it will be helpful to them too. Okay, so let's try to help each other and grow together. So in today's video, in this here we are trying to see the topic, one of the topic of precedence, right? We are knowing this is a topic of compiler design subject. This question is also, this type of question is also asked twice or thrice. So what the question is, let's see. Grammar is given, and that is E gives this and F gives this. So this is the type of grammar that is given, and we are having 3-4 options like star has higher precedence than plus, minus has higher precedence than star, means grammar is given and we have to show that whose precedence is more than the other. So how we will solve this type of question, if any such type of question in which precedence is asked, how we can solve this is, the easier way to solve it out is make tree from the given grammar. Okay, try to make the parse tree or the syntax tree from the given grammar. It will be very easier to solve. So let's see how we will do it. Here the grammar is E gives E star F. So E gives E star F. Currently I'm taking the first production. Okay. Now again F gives what? F minus F. F gives F minus F. Then F gives ID. F gives ID. F gives ID. Now E, does E directly gives ID? No. But E can give F and F gives ID. So E gives F, F gives ID. Right? Now after making tree, we know that how to check the precedence. In the tree, the evolution starts from bottom, right? Bottom to top. So in this case, whichever operator is at the bottom, right, its precedence is more. So in this case, minus is there, and then if we parse from bottom, so first of all we are having minus and then we are having star. So according to this, what we can say, that the precedence of minus is greater than the precedence of star. Means option B seems to be correct, right? But we need to be double sure. So what we will do here, E is having mainly 2 productions. We have used E gives F also, but mainly 2 productions, E star F and F plus E. In this tree, what I have done, I have started with E star F. Now let me start with this, and we will verify that we already got the answer, right? But we will just verify that if it is correct or not. So now I am taking the second one. So E gives, we have already taken E star F. Now we will take F plus E. So F plus E. Now again F gives F minus F. There is only one option, we cannot take anything else. F minus F. F gives ID. Then again E gives F, F gives ID. E gives F and F gives ID. So in this case also we are having that minus is having more precedence, right? In this case also we are having minus is having more precedence than plus. So this is the same conclusion I have got, and in my option also it is possible. So I can directly say that minus is having higher precedence than star is my correct answer. So whenever any such question pops up, the only thing you have to do is draw the tree, and based on the tree you can easily guess that whose precedence is more. Thank you so much.